Okay, so we've been burning for about 5 minutes now. Smoke's coming out there, still smoke. I'll probably have to add the insulation around the channel. The J chimney, I think, is the official term for it. What I want to do is, this is one of those side vents, lets the heat out. Let's take a look and see what kind of temperatures we're drawing out of that. Again, that vent comes into the area where that over the top of the barbecue grill itself. So you'll see, that's already 200 degrees. So that's going to max out my thermometer. I'm going to take it out of there as soon as it hits the 220, so I don't run my thermometer. So we're running air that's at least 220 degrees out across the whatever we decided to cook in there. That might give a little better view of what it's like in there. When I get it insulated, all that smoke will burn too. And that's the whole point of the rocket stove, is to be ultra efficient and burn that smoke. Because when that smoke's coming out, that's unused potential heat. And so we'll insulate that. I'm going to be using perlite for that, and that'll give it the next step. Now there's a couple different options here because of the way I did this, and I made this completely with stuff that's just lying around there against our chimney. We could do something here, have it come up through here. It actually goes down through the chicken, down the way we've got the grill or whatever you're cooking. Here we could set it up with some bricks around this area so it'd come out and up through. That would be pretty easy, although with that method, the end closest to the fire is going to be quite a bit hotter than the other end, so we'd have to have some way of forcing it across there. And then again, like I said, we could rearrange the bricks around the chimney itself, put a skirt on there, and run a pot. Now, it's in the 80s degrees today. You can see that with that thermometer sitting on top of there, it's barely heated up at all. But over time, this would probably heat up too, especially if I didn't have the air escaping out through the rest of this mechanism. So I think this is going to have to be called at least a marginal success. And I may have to get something, put it on there, cook it, and see if it actually works. We'll talk to you in a little while.